This is about a pledge to myself. It's amazing how many people are not a priority on their list, or and if they are, they're way down in that priority, you know. And I know some of you watching know what I'm talking about, yeah? So this is really about making a pledge to myself, a commitment to myself. And just a beautiful idea came where it was, let's print a piece of paper, it looks like a certificate, and we write on it what that pledge is to yourself, yeah? It might be, you know, to make more healthier choices. It might be to attend to yourself, more self-care, more space and time. It might be to follow a dream in particular. So how it works is you just click on the PDF somewhere here and you download it, and we've already created the certificate, Pledge to Myself certificate. Print it, write on it what it is you're pledging to yourself, and then take a photo of yourself with it. Why? Because we're going to ask you to post it, whether it's on Instagram or on Facebook, and hashtag Pledge to Myself. It's like making a declaration, making a commitment. And whether you post it on Facebook or Instagram, we'll find it. And then we'll send you a link to a beautiful guided meditation that I just created just for this particular topic. So hopefully we get to see some of you out there making a pledge and a commitment to yourself. It's a beautiful way of just honoring yourself and bringing yourself slowly up the priority ladder. Why not, huh? You are worth it. Thanks for watching.